All right, last lesson we learned how to find the perimeter. That was the outside. Today we're going to learn how to find the area, which is inside. So our words that we're going to use today is area, which is A. We're going to do the base, which is going to be a little b, and we're going to do the height, which is a little h. Okay, so what this means, I'm going to do a little chart here. So I'm going to draw a figure, and I'm going to show you what this means. Okay, so this is the figure, then we have the base, then we have the height, and we're going to use that to find the area. And I want to see if you notice a pattern. All right, the base is how many squares? The base is 3 squares. Okay, so this is 3. The base is 3. What's the height? How many squares? We have 2. Okay, then the area is how many squares in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area is 6. And if you notice something, it's base times height equals area. So let's see if that works again. Let's draw another figure. Okay, if we're using, I'm just going to draw lines down so we can keep our chart. Okay, so we got to do our base. How many across our base? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our base is 4. Let's see what our height is. 1, 2, 3. Now if we're right, that means 4 times 3, so that means the area should be 12. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We were right. So the area is 12 units, 12 of our blocks. So our formula, remember how I said we're into formulas now? Our formula, our important formula to remember, is A for area. If I asked you for the area, that's how much to fill in the inside, equals base times height. So the base times the height is going to give us area. Area is what's inside, and the perimeter is what's around. All right, so now I'm going to do it. We're going to do some without the pictures. We're going to just do it with the formula. So I'm going to go ahead and write the formula again right here, because the more I write it, the more I'm going to remember. Area is the base times the height. All right, so here is my formula. I have 5 feet by 10 feet. All right, so we need to find the area. And we're not going to draw our lines, we're just going to do our formula. So we have area equals the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 5 feet. So that means my area is, what's 10 times 5? 50. Now we can't forget our feet. And now remember, when we multiply our feet, it's feet squared. So we got to have that. All right, so now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do it with words this time. So the base is 11 centimeters, and the height is 3 centimeters. And I want to find the area. So our area equals base. Our base is what? 11 times our height, which is 3. So that means my area is 11 times 3 is 33. I look at my unit, it's centimeters. So it's centimeters, and I still have to put my squared up there. So 33 centimeters squared. So remember, the area is what's inside. If I had to cover this with flowers, that would be how much is inside. So that is your area is your base times your height. Your base times your height. So we'll be working on that for this assignment for 13.2.